KitchenAid's semi-automatic with Burr Grinder has a durable, built-to-last metal-clad construction, a large 2.5 litre water tank, a removable 225-gram bean hopper. It's got smart dosing technology, which delivers the ideal volume of coffee for 1 or 2 shots. There are also 15 different grind settings to choose from. A commercial grade 58mm portafilter with a flat base to ensure an even tamp every time. There are 4 filter baskets, single and double walled, for 1 or 2 shots of coffee. The filter baskets are stored neatly behind the tray of the water tray. Also included is a metal tamper and a 355ml milk pitcher. The semi-automatic machine is certified by QuietMark as one of the quietest machines in the category. It's also won the internationally recognised Red Dot Award for product design.